Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel. We just woke up, and I thought I'm going to go on the website and see what coupons to print. Now, I print my coupons off swag bucks because every 100 points, I think, you get $1. I have almost $60 worth of points, so I just print mine off and it adds up. So, and I've been using this site for a couple months now, but here is some coupons. A lot of these are the same coupons as last time. So I'm not gonna, this thing pops up on my computer every time. So nothing new yet, but there usually are the new ones in the middle. Now here we have $1 off the Arm & Hammer, $1 off the Colgate, $2 off of one Infusium. I have seen deals in the past where for Infusium. Soft Scrub, $1. That's a great coupon because usually those are $1.98 at Walmart. If it'll load. Here we got $1 off of Got To Be, $1 off Nature's Bounty, Chic. We got $1 off of Frosted Flakes, $1 off the Glad Bags, $1 off the Purex Crystals. I'm not printing those off because, not yet, I don't think I need them. Here's $1 off the 2 Soft Scrub. I'm going to print that off. $2 off Brita on the Go. We got $1 off the Pods, which I think is a good coupon. I already printed those, or I already clicked on those ones. Here we got $1 off Colgate toothbrush, toothpaste I meant.
Oh, this for the teeth.
Yeah. Otherwise, that might be it for all the new coupons. I'm not seeing anything that's popping out at me, which is fine. It's just a slow week to print coupons. Last weekend was just awesome. But that seems to be about it for coupons to print. I also went to smartsource.com. There was nothing on there. But Red Plum has the soft scrub. They have, yeah, they have the soft scrub and the Centrum. $1.50 off the Excedrin. So not much coupons are really popping out. But ooh, they got this. They have the Garnier Fructis at $4 off of 2, which is a good coupon. The Aqua Fresh, $1 off of 1. I haven't seen the Garnier Fructis on the computer forever, so that seems about it. So if you guys print what you guys need, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.